side or kneel down, and that really is not a problem. And I'm going to say this a lot because I get this question all the time from patients in my office who come into my office without pain in their knee, and their only issue is that they have cracking in their knees when they bend it. And that really is not anything to be concerned about. It just has to do with the fact that the patella or the kneecap is not tracking properly in the knee, and that could be treated very well with physical therapy to strengthen the muscles around the knee. So it's not a problem, it's just patella tracking that is not occurring well.